In this video, we're going to look at the basics of getting set up with Pear Deck. So let's go. The first thing is to go to peardeck.com. You're going to click on Teacher Login. You're going to choose your environment. For us, this is going to be the Google environment. And then it's going to ask you which account you would like to use. So you're going to select your MSET account. It's going to ask you whether you're a student or a teacher. There are also more options here. But generally, for our purposes, teacher will be enough. It's going to tell you, tell you exactly what it's going to be able to use, and then you're going to authorize with Google and go through that process. Okay, you can see up here, I'm not going to complete it with this account. It's going to ask you what school or school district you're from, and then eventually complete, and then you will have an account. Okay, once you have an account, the next thing to do is to obtain the add-on. The way that Pear Deck works is an add-on is added to Google Slides. So Google Slides is the base, or PowerPoint is the base, depending on whether you're working with Microsoft or in the Google environment. So basically what I need here is a slideshow. You can use an existing one, it doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter that I've done anything to this. Like, I don't have to necessarily pick a background or add text or add a slide. I just need to get into this Google Slide environment. And the reason is, unlike extensions where you can just go to the Google Play Store and install them, you must go through the appropriate application to get an add-on. Okay, and Pear Deck is an add-on. So once here, you're going to click on add-ons, get add-ons, and you're going to see Pear Deck is listed right here. If it's not listed there, it's just very easy to find. You just search for it up here, you click on it, and you click the install button. Again, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to go through the process with this alternate account, but it's going to bring you back to your Google login and make you choose which account you want to use, and then it's going to give you a list of things that it will gain access to, and you're going to have to approve that if you want to use Pear Deck. Okay, so that's it. Once you do that, you're all set up, and in our next video, we'll look at some of the options that you have from within Pear Deck.